You can also easily add in text effects inside of text in VistaCreate projects. So to add in effects to a particular text, you need to first select the text by clicking on it. And then over here on the top, you can see effects is an option. If you were to go around and click on effects, then you have access to different text effects that you want to apply. For example, if I were to click on outline, then it adds in the outline effect right here. And you can see that you can work around with the thickness of the outline right here and choose around the outline color as you like as well. If I were to click on the text right here and go back to effects, then you can access the same settings. You can also go around and click on transparent text right here, and this is what you have. So the text becomes transparent in the center. If I were to go around onto photos right here and bring in this image, as you can see right here, the text is behind right now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and bring this to the front. You can see that the center part is transparent and you can see through the text right here. If I were to go to effects, I can also select out other effects that as I want. For example, I can select shadow, and depending on that, you can see that you get the shadow settings where you can change the size, the blur amount of the shadow, the distance of the shadow, the angle, and even the shadow color, as you can see right here. You can also use image color as you want right here, just like this, and that is how it applies it out. You can make the text transparent as well, so you can see through just like this and just see the shadows. Similarly, you can go around and utilize a text box as well and choose around the text box right here and apply that effect right here. You can work around with the size of the text box, the roundness of the text box right here, and control the opacity of the text box as well. Make the text transparent and fill the whole text box right here just like this as well. So this is what you have right here. And then you got the echo effect as well. So you can work around with the echo effect, as you can see, work around with the distance. You can work around with the angle right here and get the effect that you want. And there's the steps, as you can see as well. And you can control out the distance as well. Similarly, you got the glitch, as you can see right here. For the glitch effect, you can work around with the size. Then you got the reflection effect, where you can work around with the size of the reflection, the distance, and transparency level of the reflection. Then you got the curved effect, as you can see right here, where you can go around and work around with the curve angle of the text that you see right here. You can go around and see in the background the angle right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then apply out the effect. So for the curve, you can see that as I click outside, the curve effect takes place. Otherwise, when I change this, you can see that there's a bit of an error that seems like it's a text error, but as soon as you click out, you see the curve effect right here. And that is how you can work around with text effects inside of VistaCreate projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.